It features an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, voice-activated navigation, a built-in garage door transmitter, blind spot sensor, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power-adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.